fingers up. Stretch up to the ceiling. Yeah, better. Good job. Stretch nice and tall. Can you shorten your rein? Yeah. Sit up nice and tall. Good.
Do you see that cat? There's one in front of you.
Good job. Keep going, Olivia. You're doing a great job. Keep going. So make your right rein a bit shorter, okay? Good. Yeah, go, go, go. Good job. You show them. That's good. Yeah, good. Keep going. Yes. I love that you're making them do what you want. Good job. Keep going. Good job. Be nice and strong. Super. Good. And give him a kick. Make sure you're walking though, okay? Yeah, keep going. Kick, kick, kick. Super. No, no, don't give up. Don't give up, Olivia. You're doing great. Super. Go, go. Ah, good. Yeah. Good job. Yes. Keep going. So give him a kick. Make sure he's trotting, right? Kick, kick, and stretch up to the ceiling. And he's going to keep doing it, so you be prepared. Give him a kick. Make sure he trots. Use your right hand, right hand, right hand. There you go. Good job. Give him a kick. Make sure he's going. Good, Olivia. Yeah, right hand, right hand, right hand. Good job. Kick, kick. Kick, pull, kick, pull, kick, pull. Super. Yes. Yeah, he's shaking his head. He's not happy with you. Good job, Olivia. Keep going. Yeah, you're doing some sitting trot. Super. Try and stretch your leg down. Good. Keep going. Stretch your heel down. Good. Kick and pull right. Kick, pull right. Good. Okay, so you're going a little bit too slow in the trot, okay? You have to go more. Good job. Kick, 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 pull right. Kick, pull right. Kick, pull right. Kick right. Kick right. Yeah, there. Super job. You want to go the other way? You're going to go HXF, okay? We're going to change direction. So look across and let's go to F. Yeah, good. Kick, kick. Make him try.